CIMCO DNC-Max is the most trusted CNC communication software on the market today, designed to make every aspect of CNC communications more reliable and efficient. DNC-Max works with your existing CNC equipment and provides a clean, intuitive, and full-featured solution for handling program file transfers, port monitoring, and system administration. CIMCO DNC-Max is a client-server solution consisting of the DNC-Max client, DNC-Max web client, and DNC-Max server. The DNC-Max server is the core component of DNC-Max and handles all communication activities and calculations. It can be run as an application or in the background as a service as required. The DNC-Max client is the PC interface of DNC-Max and allows users to manage local or remote file transfers, monitor machine ports, and perform remote network configuration and administration of multiple servers from a single point. For mobile devices, the DNC-Max web client offers a browser-based interface for managing DNC-Max, and both the PC and web client can access multiple DNC-Max servers across a LAN, WAN, or even the Internet. The advanced remote control features of DNC-Max allows operators to initiate program transfers directly from the CNC control or from a mobile device using the DNC-Max web client. Programs, subprograms, and even entire directories can be requested in one operation directly from the CNC control. And for Ethernet controls, it is further possible to browse files directly on the server. Any program changed by the operator and sent back to DNC-Max can be automatically raised in version or stored in a quarantine area. This gives you the ability to track changes and revert to any previous version if necessary. DNC-Max is the complete DNC solution for all your CNC equipment. In addition to standard Fanuc-Haas style controls, DNC-Max includes comprehensive support for Heidenhain, Mazak, Fagor, and many others. DNC-Max works with off-the-shelf industry-standard RS-232 serial communications hardware, including Ethernet and wireless serial device servers, traditional card-based hardware, and existing legacy hardware. DNC-Max supports from 1 up to 4,000 simultaneous ports for DNC or drip feed when combined with industry-standard RS-232 communications hardware from companies such as Moxa, Quatec, Digi, and others. From the one-man operation with a few CNCs to the corporate enterprise with multiple remote facilities, DNC-Max offers performance, scalability, and reliability. To learn more about CIMCO DNC-Max, visit our website today at cimco.com.